फाटले 3 दीस जाले कांपाल आर्ट पार्काचेर गोवा फॉरेस्ट डायवर्सिटी फेस्टिवल चालू आसा आणि विविध गोंयकारांनी आपूण एक स्टॉल घालून हांगा आपूण जे कितें प्रोड्यूस करता हँडीक्राफ्ट्स आसत, कोण हनी सेल करतालो, कोण खाजें सेल करतालो, कोण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्यो भाज्यो मसाले वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्यो गजाली सेल करताले. असोच एक युनिक स्टॉल आमच्या वांगडा आसा जेचें नांव आसा फ्लोरेन्स अँड को आनी तेचे जे ओनर आसा अनुष्का, आमी तेच्या कडेन आतां उलोवया आनी तेच्या प्रोडक्ट्सां बद्दल आनी तेच्या स्टॉला बद्दल जाणून घेवया. So Anushka, welcome to the channel, and
Thank you.
will just request you to run us through what you are working with.
Sure. So my brand is called Florence & Co. and we specialize in all sorts of scented luxuries that are plant-based, eco-friendly and sustainable. So we've got scented candles, car fresheners, aroma diffusers, air fresheners, soaps and a couple of other scented products. And everything is plant-based, eco-friendly, and we focus on everything being vegan. It's named after my cat, so yeah.
Okay, and we have seen from a long period of time that Goans, many people also say that Goan youth is not interested in doing hard work, not innovative enough to do
Right.
anything. And here you are doing so much of different innovative thing that it is not usually a common practice in Goa.
Sure.
So can you just give us an idea how you were inspired to get into this?
Honestly, it's just a very simple concept of me loving scented candles but not being sure about what ingredients that were being used into making candles. So because I wanted to light them in my house where my cat, whose name is Florence, was also there, and I didn't want to use anything that was harming her, I started kind of researching how to make it myself. And yeah, so I started making candles for myself, and then eventually I started selling it because I was feeding a couple of stray dogs around my community, and I was kind of raising funds for it. Then I realized that this is something that I really enjoy doing, and that's how the business came about. It was never meant to be like a business thing.
No, anything that is getting anything that becomes a big thing was never meant
True
to be
that,
a
true
big.
that. Yeah,
That proves this proves the line. And how you are enjoying last 3 days? You are being here from the 3 days. How is the response to your brand, or how it's people's how they are looking at your brand?
Right. So because this is, like you said, a very unique, very emerging concept here in Goa, people aren't aware about what exactly I am selling. So it's really nice that they're coming over and getting to learn about all of these products, and they've been really curious and they've been really intrigued once they find out about these. So yeah, and the vibe has been amazing over here. There was a huge footfall, so it was definitely really lovely being here.
And hope young Goans take inspiration from you and try to do something that will take their name and give them some
And bring recognition to Goa too.
Yes.
Also, right?
And you have one message to young people just like you who are inspiring, who want to get inspiration from others.
I mean, I'm not one to give like.
But see, you
Inspirational
are a young entrepreneur, so
Right. I would just say, speaking from my journey, to just do what you love what you do, and believe in your journey. Everything is kind of mapped up for you, but like you have to just trust the process. Yeah, have fun.
thank you so much for giving
Thank you
your
so
valuable time. तर असे आशिल्ले फ्लोरेन्स अँड को चे ओनर अनुष्का. तर असेच आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या यांच्याकडे स्टॉल होल्डरांकडे आयज उलयले. सगळ्यांचो एक्सपिरियन्स खूप बरो आशिल्लो. तर अशें हे फेस्टिवल आयज हांगा सोंपता. थँक्यू.